I have had a severe Japanese beetle problem for several years on my crepe myrtles, roses, and blackberries. Have tried milky spore and Japanese beetle traps to no avail. Is there a soil drench I can apply in the early spring that will kill Japanese beetle larvae? This is Glenda from Eads, Tennessee. So let's go to this.
Yeah.
She tried the Japanese beetle traps.
Ooh.
Ah.
I'm afraid that I think that attracts more Japanese beetles to your yard than just having them there anyway.
Yes.
So I really would discourage trying to do that because you're not trying to detect if they're there. Because that's usually what traps are for. They're mostly to detect if you have them and what bugs are there so you can then control them. But
you know you have the problem.
I know you have the problem.
Don't attract more.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Right. But she's really asking about the soil drench.
Yes, she is.
So is there a soil drench that can be used?
Well, I mean, I'm sure there is, but I would rather go with granules. There's tons of granules out there that are labeled with Japanese beetle larvae on them. Her point is going to be timing.
Right. I would agree with that. Okay.
So, you know, they start coming out not the beginning of summer, kind of the middle of the summer.
Yeah, so it's pretty much late May, early June through mid-July, you know, for the most part. If you want to go with a soil drench, okay, there's imidacloprid, it's the active ingredient. Merit, you know, it's one of the brand names that you can go with. Read and follow the label. But here's something though, if you're using, you know, these soil drenches, especially in your lawn situation, if you have blooming wildflowers or weeds that bees or pollinators like to visit,
that's not
you got to be careful. So you're going to have to go out there and mow those down right before you apply the soil drench.
Right.
Right. Soil drench is an option. Right. The granules are an option.
Yes, they are.
But let's think about those pollinators that are out there, you know, when you're doing that. Because if you're using the granules, right, they have to be watered in.
Yes, they do.
So you have to irrigate, you know, for that. But yeah, read and follow the label. You can control those Japanese beetle larvae. Right before they hatch, you can kill them using the drenches, but I'll be careful, you know, if you're trying to save and help out the pollinators. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.